simple past. We are talking about, yes, I'm talking about past continuous. It's not continuous past, it's past continuous form. Yesterday, when we were going to park, we saw a kitten. Okay, so here you have said yesterday we were going to the park. Then, so when you're saying we saw a kitten, did you connect this with what punctuation? Conjunction. Did you use punctuation? Did you use conjunction? What did you use here to connect? Because here you have used two different sentences being into one. Right? Now, the point is, let me tell you one thing. Though I'm not going to judge your attempt, I'm not going to judging it. What I'm going to tell you, when you are learning anything from the scratch, from the basics, so you should not try to get confused with other things, other concepts. You just have to focus on the very simple, easygoing sentence for yourself. As you can see in the structure, let's consider subject. Okay, subject, it should have was or were, then it should have verb with ing, and it should have object. Okay, so this is the structure for you. Let's make it as a sentence. I'm using subject as Ahmed was drawing a paint. Oh, he was drawing a
cat.
He was drawing a map or cat, whatever. He's drawing a map. Okay, so this is the basic one. Sorry.
How can people draw a map
like this? Why is that difficult? Have you ever drawn a map? No.
I've just drawn India and it was so fat.
Okay, let's get back to the topic here. So now you can see here as subject, I have selected Ahmed. As a verb, I have chosen draw. Then I have added ing. And as helping verb, because Ahmed is a singular, we use was. Okay, Ahmed was drawing. What is the object? He was drawing a map.
Okay.
Instead of using complicated sentences, you will make the mistake, and that is what you don't have to try right now. First, you have to understand the basic sentence structure by following these class, right? These are going to help you to understand the major difference in the concepts.
Okay.
Now, note down this. G.
You told me to write the same sentences, but like.
So?
Past continuous and present continuous, future continuous is different because I did it before you told me.
But that is the thing now. You have attempted. These are the structures that help all the students, everyone from every age group, to try making these kind of sentences following these structures. These structures provide you the foundation.
After that, I don't like this.
Okay. All right. No. So are you clear about this concept?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Moving ahead. This is for the past continuous. Now let's change it into present without changing the sentence. I told you not to change the sentence every time. Try to convert one structure of sentence into the different forms. So I'm not changing it. The only change required in this sentence is the helping verb.
Yes.
Okay, and rest of the structure would remain as it is, like subject plus verb ing and the object. But helping verb will be changed.
Okay.